So today I'm going to show you how to place a trade on a MetaTrader 5. So after making analysis on your TradingView platform, and plotting your zones and all, getting to know that this is where you want to enter into a buy, I'm going to show you how to enter the trade on your MetaTrader 5 live. So we are going to use a demo account and then we'll enter into a trade so that you know how to enter into a trade by using your trading analysis and then picking the zones and putting it inside your MetaTrader 5. So stay tuned and watch how it's done. So let's go. Place a trade after making the analysis on your platform, on your TradingView. To place a trade, you will need your MetaTrader 5. Where did I put it? So you have to open your MetaTrader 5 and then select the pair that you made your analysis on. So I'm going to enter into a trade on GBP JPY. So this is the pair that I'm going to trade in. Let me close these quotes. This is the pair I'm going to trade in, and I'm on a 4-hour time frame. So this is the pair. Let me go to my trading view. So earlier on, this was the analysis I made on the trading view. So right now, I'm not waiting, because I'm not waiting for market to get to this place. I might want to take the trade from this place and then push my SL to this place and then enter the trade and still hold to the top, because I don't know what market might try to come here, but then I'm still done. I'm just showing you how to enter your trades, and then after making your analysis on the trading view, how to input the data in your MetaTrader 5 in order to initiate or execute a trade. So right now, this is my plotted zones. So here I have 208.13 and I have 195.76. So this is my stop loss. The 19, you can see the red zone, 195.765, that is my stop loss. And then the green one, 208.123, is my take profit, that is my TP. And so that is what I'm going to use on the market. I'm actually going into a market execution, so I just enter into this place. What stop loss, what lot size should I use? I am actually going to use a 0.02, because this is a very huge trade, and then my stop loss is very huge, and so the amount that I want to risk, if I don't take it, I might blow it. So 195.765, that is my stop loss. 195.765, 195. So 195.765, that is my stop loss. And then my take profit is, let me check my trading view, 208.123, 208.123, and that is it. I enter into what? It is a buy order, not a sell order. So I don't click here. If you click here, it won't go. It says what? Invalid stop loss or take profit, because this take profit and SL is for a buy order. So I click on the buy and I'm in a buy. So this is the trade that I am in now. I can open multiple positions out of this, but because of the largeness of my stop loss, I don't want to risk it. If I click on it, I'm able to see. So with my account, I am risking, let's say I'm risking $25.86 on this trade to make why am I not seeing the, okay, to make Wow, let me increase it. I'm not seeing this at the corner here. I'm still not seeing it. Okay. Yeah, so I think I'm not getting the stop loss. I don't know the way this is giving me. I don't normally use my laptop for this. I don't enter a trade on my laptop MetaTrader 5. I enter it on my phone, so I'm able to see it visibly. But then on the phone, on the laptop, I think it's supposed to be easier. But why is it giving me daily? That's like $130. Yeah, $130 there. So that is the trade. I've entered here. I can enter into another position, but then I don't want to enter into the position. This is the trade. This is my TP. This is where I want to take my profit, and this is my SL. As you can see, I don't know why it's not allowing me to zoom that high, but why did I? It's just happened. So this is basically how to enter into a trade. And also, if I should try on my iPhone too, no. So I think I'll do another tutorial on how to do it on the phone, also to help you. So this is just basically on the laptop, and then how to place the values that you just did on the trading view and use it to trade on your MetaTrader 5. So this is how you enter into a trade. Let me know in your comment section, whatever you want to learn about this. So currently I'm in a loss of $0.11, $0.11. So I'll leave the trade on to see the outcome. Thank you. And so thank you for watching this YouTube video. I know that you are helped, and now you can be able to make your analysis and also be able to enter into your trade, or enter into a trade on MetaTrader 5 by using your analysis. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next video.